The curtains haircut is a very unique haircut, and you need a few key things in order to have it. First being the hair type. As you can see, this mannequin has super silky, straight hair. That is the first most important thing when it comes to achieving or having a curtain type haircut is the hair type. This is silky smooth, it's super straight, and it's medium density. So can you have this on super thick hair? Yes, you can. I would suggest some sort of undercut if you do have really thick hair, because this is gonna get really heavy and really bulky. So maybe you can try an undercut that isn't really shaved down super short, maybe like a number 3 or 4 guard right in through here, so it looks a bit more natural. This way all the hair in through here can flow much smoother. That's the best advice I can have for people with thick hair. If you've got fine hair, this will work perfectly okay with fine hair. If you've got wavy or curly hair, you have to straighten it, whether it's chemically straightening it with a relaxer, or what I suggest is using a blow dryer and a brush. I do sell amazing brushes on my website. It's a thermal ceramic round brush, which actually protects the hair from the heat. So you can use one of those and then maybe a smoothing iron to smooth it out. But the point is, in order to have a haircut like this that just falls and lays perfectly flat, you need to have the right hair texture, right? And also the right haircut. So depending on the type of look that you want is really up to you. You can have a curtain haircut and this is up to here, right? Or down to here, whatever you want to do. It's really up to how you want your hair to look. Remember, it is your hair. So here is a mannequin that's got a curtain type haircut, okay? As you can see, the length comes down to just about the bridge of the nose right in through here. Keep in mind that when you're getting these types of haircuts, if it's too short, right? If you want your hair here, you have to make sure that when you're getting a cut, you leave it longer. The last thing you want to do is, say your hair is like up here and you cut it, that it's going to spring up to here because the hair likes to bounce up. So always make sure, and you tell the person cutting your hair, you have to leave it longer towards the front because it will jump up, and also you're creating an arch. You're creating that nice arch right through here, so this automatically is going to jump up. So as you can see, if it's straight down this way, you see how long it is, and then look, it springs back up. This is also a bit layered too, so you can have a curtain type haircut with it layered. The really key to this is that you have this length in the front so that it does drop and fall down. And then lastly, here's a mannequin that the hair is a bit longer, right, throughout the back over here. It's a bit longer throughout the back and the sides, and it's a bit more on the kind of messier, surfer kind of haircut. You could still have curtains like this. Anything that drapes down or falls down this way is considered a curtain. But you can see this has some texture to it. I would call it almost a bit, wavy, right? Nothing too crazy, but as long as it's worked into the shape, you will be good to go. I have so many tutorials on haircuts like this, curtain haircuts, undercuts, and I think about 2,000 videos I have on my YouTube channel. Browse my channel, search a topic you're looking for, and I bet you're gonna find what you're looking for.